If you have dry, cracked lips to the extreme, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hi everyone, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie and I cover oily skin, hooded eyes, and beauty. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how the O'Keefe lip repair saved my lips. So about 1.5 years ago, I did upload a video on how I care for my dry lips, and I do still follow this routine, and I'll go ahead and put the link up here in case you guys are interested. So just like how I test out new makeup products, I do test out new skincare products. That includes lip products like exfoliators, masks, lip balms, and oh my God, my lips paid the price. My lips became so dry, and they're already dry. I didn't think that they can get any drier than that, but they did. And every time that I would smile or I would open my mouth to eat anything, my lips would split. And it didn't just split in one spot, it split in multiple areas, and it was just so horrible looking, and it was super painful, and I bled so much. So unfortunately, I don't have any pictures of my dried, cracked lips, but I do have some video footage that I can go ahead and put up so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. You can see the redness all over the lips one day, and then the next day I have like multiple areas of redness, and that is exactly where my lips would split. It was just horrible. And of course, as soon as I had these reactions, I went ahead and stopped using all of those lip products that I was testing out, and then I went back to my normal routine. And while that routine is really good at maintenance, it actually wasn't helping the damage that those products that I tested out did to my lips. So as soon as I realized my lip routine wasn't really healing my lips like I would like it to, I had to go on the internet and research the top lip treatments, and O'Keefe's popped up. So I'd heard about the O'Keefe's lip repair treatment a while back, and I decided, let's go ahead and give it a try. So I went ahead and got the balm, and I got the night treatment. The O'Keefe's Lip Repair Lip Balm heals, relieves, and repairs extremely dry, cracked lips, and the night treatment is an intense, restorative lip balm that works while you sleep. So I did use the lip balm first because it was in the morning, and I wanted to make sure that my lips were nice and clean, so that way this can easily penetrate through my lips. And I just want to tell you that I am so impressed with this lip balm because no lie, like my lips were gone. Like I was bleeding all the time. I had no room left on my lips for them to split anymore because everything was just split. Everything cracked, dried. It was that bad. And this, honestly, with just one coat, it hydrated my lips all day. There was no need to reapply. Like it felt so good. Also, there is no scent to this, so I really like that because I know a lot of medicated chapsticks have like this weird scent to it, and then a lot of people like don't want that bad taste in their mouth. This doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't smell like anything. It's just nice and smoothing, and it feels great. Now the formula is a little bit on the thick side, and I know a lot of people don't like that, but honestly, I feel like this has to be thick because it's just so like, it's a heavy duty lip repair. So it really had to get into all the cracks, all the creases, over the dryness, and just all the peeling and everything like that. It had to layer on top and go through so much. I feel like if it was like really thin, it wouldn't be able to do the job, or if it were to do the job, it would take a while, but this just really like sunk into my lips, and it feels so good. So now, of course, I use the night treatment at nighttime. This actually has a little bit of a thinner formula, which is pretty nice because you don't want to feel like, you have this really thick layer of lip balm on top of you, and then you have like things sticking to your lip at night, like, cat hair. So it's really nice and soothing. This one also does not have a scent, and it is super hydrating feeling, and it really does last throughout the entire night. I really love this stuff. So about 2 days after using both of these products, I did notice a difference in my lips, like the texture. It just didn't feel as dry, and it wasn't as uncomfortable as it was before I started using these products because my lips were no longer splitting. They actually were in the healing process, of course, so there was just no more pain. So that was really nice. I have been using these for about a month now, and these are definitely going to be a part of my lip routine. I don't see myself ever being without these. All right, so I have shown you the 2 products that have saved my lips, and if you're out there with lips just like mine, or they crack, they peel, they split and bleed, let me know, what are your remedies? What are your holy grails? What do you use to fix your lips? Let me know down in the comments below because I feel like I have tried so many things, and I've also made my own chapstick chapstick, which I need to do again because family members, friends, my old coworkers, I handed it out to all of them and they are still asking me to make the chapsticks again, and I just need to find the time to actually do it. Anyway, if you guys are interested on that, I can go ahead and make a video on how I make my own chapsticks. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content because I do upload every Wednesday and Saturday at noon Central Time. So keep an eye out for that, and thank you guys so much. Bye.